Alright guys, here's a traditional thread light setup for the clamshell light, which is the beauty light. One of the interesting things about the beauty light is it has this beautiful catch light in her eyes, in the model's eyes. If we zoom in, we can see this beautiful, especially the lower lights as the field lights to deliver this look. Yeah. So how about let's optimize the field lights? Here's my little trick. I put some. It's not. I was looking for the black one, but we don't have that. So it's some blue sticky tape, and on the softbox, and let's see how it goes. It's very subtle. You guys see that, but it creates this interesting catch lights. And we can think about sort of beside this traditional white background shoots, what else can we do? Okay, here I am going to get rid of this background and let's try something different, shall we? So instead of white background, which is the fashion magazine or the makeup look, we can set up something even more fun. I'll hide this light right behind Lucy. If you're going for editorial look, you want some mysterious sort of lights, right? Again, so that's Ace A 11C. I took out a red gel. So why red? I'm going for this analogous color palette. Lucy's skin tone is beautiful orange, so I will go for red for slight separation, but not so contrasty like blue vs orange. I'm not going for those kind of blue and teal look. Yeah, so red and orange. Analogous color palette. Let's give it a go. Let's always turn on your light. So I am using V1. The currently power of V1 is out of 1 of 32 plus 0.7. So I will raise that up for one stop. Hopefully. Yeah. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. And now, the reason I used the red color is because I want to do the color palette matching almost with the blush color of Lucy. And I'm glad it works so well.
So color temperature wise, there is a difference because the foreground light is obviously white and the background light is obviously red. We need a connection, right? So I'm adding fourth lights as a hair lights to connect between the background and Lucy Blay.
Lucy, do you want to have a look? See if that's to your hair height, or it's not tall enough.
Maybe if you lower it, maybe by 2 centimeters.
Lower it?
Yeah, just a little tiny bit.
Ah, it's okay then.
Okay,
It should be.
Perfect.
Should be like that.
Oh, good.
As long as it's not too low, that'll be really cool. Good. Yeah. So we have this red colors coming through. So there's a nice pockets of lights bleeding to connect from the red background as well as her skin. So what else can we do? We can actually see, because it's backlit, we will see if some smoke actually works in this scenario. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Go. Beautiful. Let's have a look. Very subtle, so I will, you know what, I'm actually adding another red gel. Let me give it a try. Go first. Can you check the AD200Pro's power? Sorry? 104. Can you move that tad closer? Tad closer to her. Yeah. That's really good. That's good. I like the light bleeding, so it works for me. But for if you guys don't like it, just move it a tad bit outside of the crop, and that will do the job. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Now, all right, let's give it a go. Look at me. Okay, that's it.